Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crop an image into a specific shape in a WPS Office application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my WPS Office application on my computer, and first of all, I'm going to insert an image in this document. I'm going to go to the insert and I'm going to go to picture, and I'm just going to select from file. And I'm going to choose, for instance, this image. I'm going to click on open, and I'm going to show you how we can crop this image into a specific shape. You just need to go to the crop option right here, and then you can select the shape you want to apply to your image. For example, I'm gonna go with the circle or oval shape like this, and I'm going to adjust it. Wait guys. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, then you can just crop it. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to crop an image into a specific shape in the WPS Office. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.